Hello, welcome to the demo exercise for advanced day number 7. Here are the steps that you are going to follow is first is you find something you would like to get feedback on. It could be anything. It could be um, any piece of work, any document, any idea, any slides, just anything. Second is you give context about that particular thing. Describe your challenge and insert your idea. Third is you define your personas who would be the best people to give their feedback on your idea. Then you use the prompt and run it. This is the prompt you are going to use. Now, our context for this exercise is that you just spent 3 weeks reviewing AI training programs. You have the Sparks program and three others. You are presenting to the management team. But before presenting, you would like to get feedback on the things that you're working on. And these are the files that you have been provided with. The prompt that we used, the context part here is that I have been working on a recommendation for AI training programs and attached are 4 program rosters. The feedback form part would look like please create a series of personas to represent. There are following people in my management team. One is a CFO, another is an HR director, another is a CEO, and also a sales director. One thing to note is that it's a mid-sized advertising agency focused on traditional printing and direct marketing. The output that I would like is please provide feedback on these programs using the personas that I mentioned. And based on that, summarize the key feedback, give 3 suggestions on how to pick the best version for our company. Now AI came back with this response. First is it defined the personas. We already gave it the persona. It mentioned what could be the main concern which would be related to each persona, what they value, and their red flags. And it laid out management team personas in detail to me. Second is it reviewed all the programs and it gave me feedback on each program. The programs were AWS Generative AI Essentials. It viewed it from CFO's view, HR's view, CEO views, sales view, and if it would be fit for an agency or not. So this way it reviewed all the 4 programs. And the key feedback that I got was the Microsoft AI 3025 and Sparks, they are in high confidence. And the program for AWS and MDEC, they are not the best picks. And after doing everything, it gave me the recommendation saying that my blunt recommendation is run Microsoft AI 3025 or Sparks as the pilot. And use Microsoft if you want immediate productivity, use Sparks if you want lasting behavioral change and better thinking across AI. So I hope this exercise made sense. It helped you to clear your concepts about the things that you learned in the advanced and please apply it. Thank you.